Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. I hope you all are fine. This video is actually based on English O level course 1123 on new syllabus, for which the students are going to appear in 2024. But definitely they have to practice and prepare themselves beforehand. Okay, so far there was no book available based on this course. So this is the first book which has been published by Hodder Publishers, Hodder Education. And you can see that this is the book's title. You can see it, view it. And previously its e-copies were released and now it's in hard form. So they are the writers, John Reynolds and Patricia Acres. So let's have a look on it, and I will make some detailed videos on different sections of it as well. Now this book is truly made according to the requirements of new syllabus for 2024. So here we can see that all the reading material which is available, it's based on new pattern that I will show you in some of my other video. I mean, whatever comprehension or directed writing tasks are given, they are guided and they are evaluated on the same pattern. So this book has 6 chapters, you can see, and there are some practice examination as well. Okay, if we just have a look on the first chapter, we find that it's about some reading skills and some basic writing skills. Then unit 2 has some practice on comprehension. Comprehension, the new style of comprehension is discussed here, both type of comprehensions and how to attempt it and what type of comprehension questions are there. They are also discussed in this chapter. Then a very basic element of comprehension is summary writing. As we know that second comprehension this time comprises of summary writing. So in detail the summary writing has been discussed, and narrative writing is discussed in this chapter. As we move on towards chapter 4, we find that here writer is talking more about the effect in the writing. Then writing to argue or persuade is also discussed in this chapter. Chapter 5 is again on further on summary writing. More details about further summary writing are discussed here. Then unit 10 discusses some directed writing. It's particularly speech writing. Then unit 6 is based on exam preparation. There are some sample papers given. Practice examination is given. So here you will find out that the style of the book is that the writer actually discusses things about some particular type of writing, and after that there are exercises based on it. So inshallah I'll be making more videos on different sections of it, and you will be able to have complete guideline on different attempt in English paper. And I hope that you will appreciate me by your wonderful comments, and you will suggest me that what particular things you want me to make videos on. So inshallah we'll have a detailed review and knowledge of this book. We'll discuss it chapter wise under different sections. So be blessed, and please guide me with your comments and subscribe my channel. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.